Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Wizard official channel. Listening to Tidal music before sleeping is one of the most popular ways of relaxing for the majority of people. And setting a sleep timer to stop the music automatically is an excellent and recommended method. This video will show you how to set up a sleep timer on Android and iPhone. Android users need to install an extra app to stop Tidal from playing. Sleep timer, turn music off. You can download it from Google Play. Once downloaded, you can open it and start to set a sleep timer for Tidal. Tap on the Choose App button, scroll down, and add Tidal as the target app. Head back to the initial screen. You can toggle the circle button or click the plus button to set the Tidal music playing duration. And once you click the start icon, it will switch to Tidal app to allow you to play music. The sleep timer app will automatically stop playing Tidal after the time is up. iOS users have an easier way, a built-in feature in the clock app that can stop music playback. Open the clock app on your screen. Tap on the timer button at the bottom right. Select how long you want Tidal to play. Hit when timer ends and scroll down to ends to choose stop playing. Press the set icon to apply the option. Now you can tap on start icon to activate the sleep timer. When time is up, your iPhone will stop playing Tidal. The two ways need an internet connection to stream Tidal. Sometimes, Tidal may experience playback issues, such as stopping when the screen turns off or pausing after the second song. To avoid these interruptions, it's better to listen to Tidal offline when using a sleep timer. So, how to download Tidal to your local devices? Wizard Tidal Music Converter can do this. Open Wizard Tidal Music Converter on your computer. It includes a built-in Tidal web player, so there's no need to launch the Tidal desktop app separately. Just log into your Tidal account, browse for the songs, albums, or playlists you want, then click the Add Music button to load them into the download list. Click the menu icon in the top right corner and select Preferences. Under the Conversion tab, you can adjust the output format, bit rate, sample rate, and audio channels to suit your needs. Click the Convert button in the bottom right corner. Wizard Tidal Music Converter will export these tracks into local files in your target format and store them in the target folder. After converting, you can tap the converted icon to view the downloaded songs. Now you can listen to your downloaded Tidal tracks offline. Use your computer's built-in sleep timer or transfer the music to any device you prefer, such as your phone, MP3 player, or smart speaker. This way, you can enjoy your Tidal sleep timer experience without any interruptions or the need for an internet connection.